Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the charming door from creepy to cute. Originally, I get these 3D models from Revolution Content Store, and if you just drag it into the iClone or CC4, it is going to appear very creepy, something like this. And how to convert all of these shaders to just make it cute. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you all these step by step. You can see this is the original, and finally I make it become more charming. Compare with the original ones, it is quite creepy, like the ghost door something. Alright, so 5 of them. You can see originally they are really creepy. We don't want to see something like this. So how to make it really cute. So start from now, I'm going to show you all these step by step. If you not yet get the charming door of them, you can just get it from my video description. I already put the link in my video descriptions, where you can just direct click the link from my video description to get the charming doors from Revolution Content Store. Alright, so start from now. I'm going to just start from beginning. I'm going to just do a really simple demo. For example, I just use it in iClone. And just have a look. This is the original one. So it's damn creepy. So how to make it become really charming? So first, you already selected from the scene. The first step, what you need to do is just go to click the head, body, arm, and leg. Click the first one, hold the shift, click the last one. 4 of them selected. Then the shader type from digital human skin. This is the original digital human skin. You just need to change it to PBR or traditional. So now I change it to become traditional. And then next, I just right click this, adjust the color, drag the, sorry, not here. Just scroll down until you can see the Self-Illumination. 4 of these get selected. Scroll down, go to the Self-Illumination, just drag it to maximum. Then right click here, adjust the color. Then from here, just adjust the brightness. Then wait for a while. Now it is loading. Then drag the contrast also, just to make her to have some contrast. And now the only creepy things is the eyes. So scroll up until you can see the CC base eyes, totally 4 of them. Click the first one, hold the shift, click the last one, select all of them. The shader type is digital human eyes. You change it to become traditional. Then now everything look better. Next is the hair. Just double click the hair. The digital human hair, change it to traditional. Here as well. Change it to traditional. Now it's look better, right? You compare with the original one. Now I inserted again the original 3D avatar here. Just compare 2 of them. You already make a big change. Right, this is the original. Just compare 2 of them, which one is better. Of course, we don't want to see this something like the horror movie in our 3D animations. You just need to do some shader change and self-illumination to just make it better. Now everything look better. Now actually this pack is quite cool. I get it from the Revolution Content Store. You can just get it from my video description link and get 5 of them. And actually you need to do some works to convert the shader. Then everything will look really best now. Alright, this is all for today about my tutorials from how to make the charming door from creepy to cute to make them really cute. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!